Hi, welcome to the channel and this tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to adapt the size of a video that has a traditional size for YouTube or traditional media and change it to a size for social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok through a new option that Premiere allows us that is really quick and easy to apply. So let's start. The first step is to import the video. We go to the project panel, double click, and then on the file explorer we locate the video, in this case on the practice files. We double click to open the video and there we have it. Then we go to the preview monitor to check which section we want for our video. In this case we want the whole video, so we grab it and place it on the timeline. Once in the timeline, a new sequence is created. So here we have a new sequence. To make sure I don't confuse both of those files, I can right click and change the name of the sequence. So right click, rename, and I'm gonna place a new name for that sequence. So I have a sequence with a name and the video with another name. So we can keep working on that project. For example, we can add a test. For that, I select the type tool, go to the program monitor, click and start typing. Something like morning trip for the title for this video. Then I can select the test to make changes to that test. Go to Effect Control right here, and then you open the properties for the test. Click on the arrow on the left of the test properties, and then you can change, for example, the font type, the size. And now you have the test the way I like it. Also, as you can see, there is a new video track showing my test. I can stretch it until the end of the video, so the test is all the time the video is on the screen. Now we have the video on a regular size. The goal of this tutorial is to automatically make a version for social media. For that, we're going to be using one of the brand new functions of Adobe Premiere, Auto-Reframe Sequence. You go here to your project panel and right click on the sequence, the one that you named earlier. You right click there and choose this option, Auto-Reframe Sequence. Then when I click, it opens this dialog box showing me different aspect ratio for social media. For example, a square, this is the aspect ratio used for Facebook and Instagram posts. Also we have vertical that is used for Reels, Stories, Instagram Stories and TikTok videos. Now, once I select one of these sizes, I will have a brand new sequence but with this specific aspect ratio, and all the elements will be adjusting to that size. I hit create and then you have it. A brand new copy of my whole project. I'm not touching the original project. I'm having a new copy of this project with all the elements adapted to this size. I'm making sure that the main subject is always centered on the screen and the text is always visible. So as you can see, I have my original project right here, the way I did it at the beginning, and then I have a copy with the social media size. And this also modify all the videos from my project, from my original project, and adapt it to this size without having to modify it individually. But if you want to change any element of the video or the text, for example, in this video, his arm is outside of the frame, so I want to change that. The first step is to select the video layer, this one below. I select it and then I go to the Effect Control panel, right here at the right of the source panel, select the video, and then I go to this section, Reframe Offset. Here you will have two numbers. The first number will control the properties to move the video right or left, and the second up and down. For example, if I drag the number here, I'm changing the video to the left, and this way I'm centering the subject to my desired position. If you need to change the position up and down, you adjust the second number. Now, the same thing we can do it with the text. We can select the text and make it larger. Click on the video layer of the text, and then you can change here its size, and you're making a larger text that fits better with this new size. So here you have it, a quick way to change the size of a video so you can use it on social media platforms. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. See you next time.